Yeah, last video, I was telling you that I will make a video talk about how the African people purchase their hair from China, what type of hair quality they are purchasing. Now this video, we talk about it. Let's start. In this video, I just want to talk about the African people in different countries. They are totally different because they have different understanding for the hair quality. For example, African people who are born in Europe, who are born in the US, are totally different from the African people in Africa, living in Africa, because the quality of the hair they see every day is totally different. And recently, a lot of African people contact me. Some of them are living in the US, some of them are living in Europe. They told me that they want to purchase the hair, but I told them that if you are from Africa or if you are selling the hair to Africa, the quality will be very different from the hair I sell every day, because everyone knows I sell very high quality hair to Europe and to the US, to Canada, other countries, but not to Africa. But I have very good suggestion for them. If they're going to sell the hair to Africa, normally they will just concern about the fullness. For example, every lady will just confirm the fullness like this, the fullness at the top and at the bottom, top and the bottom. And as long as the hair is full, they're fine. And this is the type of hair for some middle income and even high income people who are living in Africa. The majority of the population are buying the lower quality. The price is very cheap. So they normally have plan A, plan B, plan C. They will purchase more lower quality to people who are living in Africa. Only a small proportion of the high quality hair to Africa, because they're not very rich there. Of course, I know there are some rich people or very high income people in Africa, but very small population. I'm telling you, it's very true. Even they can sell one bundle like $20, $15, $30 for long lengths. And for them, they will think it's very high quality. They don't see the hair, the real quality hair in their life. But this is not it's not racist. What I'm telling you is truth. And some of the African people, they want to travel to their own countries. They will bring some hair back to their countries. And most of them, I'm telling you, most of them, they come to my country to purchase very low quality and very low price and ship to Africa, for example, in Nigeria, especially in Nigeria or in Congo, South Africa. I've been in this hair business for like more than 15 years. And I meet ladies every day. I know what they're doing every day. So if you are selling the hair to Africa, this video, I just want to make one time this video. So when African people come to me, I will send this video to them to explain to them what type of quality they should purchase for Africa. And firstly, I will ask them, are you selling the hair to the middle income people or to the high income people? And one of the most important questions that I will ask them is, will your customers bleach the hair? Will your customers color the hair? For example, when your customers take this hair, they buy this hair, will your customers bleach this natural black color hair to this brown color hair? Most of the ladies in Africa, or even some ladies in the US or in Europe, they don't bleach to very light brown. They just bleach to dark brown, like color 27. You can just buy the normal quality. That's what most people buy every day, because nowadays they don't have a lot of money in their pockets. They need to spend the money cost effective. As long as it's still 100% human hair, they're happy to use. So remember the suggestion I just talked to you. In Africa, they will not bleach the natural black color hair to this brown, this light brown color hair, this one. Only very rich or very picky customers. I have a lot of picky customers every day. They will purchase the raw hair, virgin hair, and they want to bleach the hair very light. And this is the type of hair I sell every day, and they know my quality. They will talk about my quality word of mouth online, internet. Remember, from this one to this one, your customer probably will not do this. So don't tell me that. Don't tell me that you want the best quality hair. You want the best, the best of best. This is what they tell me every day. They will tell you that I want the best of best, top quality. They don't know what top quality is. Do you understand me now? This simple tip from natural black to brown is very top quality hair. But some of them will think double jaw is top quality hair in Africa, especially in Nigeria or in other Western African countries. They think double jaw is the top. But some ladies, they know quality. They will ask me, hey Hyman, can your double jaw hair bleach very light brown? And I will tell them the truth. I have another video. I send that video link for them to watch my double jaw hair. One type of hair that's called like luxury, the luxury head morsa hair. Luxury head morsa hair can bleach this brown and still very full, like double jaw. This. So if you are from Africa, you don't need to struggle with yourself. Don't tell me you want the best of best. Of course, I know there are some people can spend the money best for the best of best. But you remember this tip, back to brown. Back to brown, if they don't do this, you just purchase the standard quality. They purchase from AliExpress, Alibaba, Amazon. That's the type of hair they sell a lot every day. That normal quality hair, the normal quality hair. But you see, they have a lot of cost. If you tell me, if you can follow my tip, you purchase the hair from me, you do business with me, I can always offer you the best. You understand me? Remember this tip, and then you know what to purchase. I can offer you the best price if you are really doing this hair business. And follow my tip, watch my YouTube video. I hope this video can help you guys in Africa who are going to sell the hair in Africa, okay? This video is for African people to sell the hair in Africa. Simple tip. If you want more tips, let me know in the next video.